Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Hello, people. Hi, everyone. Quite early in the morning. Just get ready. I greet you all. This is just a quick one this morning. Not be taking too long as I am busy. Although people, you guys should learn. Although people of social media, you guys should learn how to embrace peace. Learn how to embrace peace. Don't be my friend because you find out that I'm fighting someone, or me and somebody had misunderstanding on social media. You now decided to be my friend. Okay? You decided to be my friend because you see that me and Percy with the quarrel, we get contact for social media. You now say, I'm going to be your friend. As in, you decided to do pepper them. Not that kind of pepper them friendship. Let me, show myself. Let me show myself. By the time you and that person don't settle, you will not have problem with me. You will not become automatically enemy. We are not like we call the fight one kind, spiritual fight. We be say who makes sense. Okay? So it's not bad. Because we are the only one in where I was saying you guys were no close before. Or tinya woman kegui. Iya woman is going to get the more one in your home. Uko do more pepe. Uke do you be a pepe and man who have pepe in social media. See how woman give a sex or that person shoots peace. Or man shoots a peace in a bay. Oh no, oh yeah, I want to battle you, be near battle in a cocoa might be. Here, if I met you, total who are buying out 1 year and I said too. Well, one man that don't judge, I'm not telling you, come on with them. Who are okay? Maybe it's your brother, you just want to assist him or help him out or what have you, just want to be his friend. When we make a settlement, your money green while a piece in it, you should support him. You support someone because at the end of the day, when you are back telling you come and beg, I'm okay. He has let go. When you are back going over saying, I don't hear about do agree. If you help him genuinely, your feelings should not be hurt. Your feelings should not be bruised. Where would that way I settle with someone young back going with social media? You answer the bay weapon. They have on the baby again. Your weapon, you are okay, let them settle things for themselves. You should be happy with them. I see no reason why. I don't know already I say. Because when you settle with I not near with me, we marry when only we say near Kegu. Or we're not jumping here. So you want to take their place. There are people that can do it better than them too. That is what you did. They pepper them and say, "Ma, when you my sister, go and be a usual while Yagwe or Mo, Yagwe or Mugo, and Mujo, and so, Flopa Zeba, way on. You did right. But other a side pepper than Ronnie or Macbana. We're not sent to me. So, and I take good courage. You are, you are, echo hard when you walk and let them keep fighting themselves and. You will continue assisting him and supporting him. No. When a president, you should embrace peace. What do you want? You have to have way or you have to have everyone my photo. I don't hear everything. When you are set on it, find out the way or a cock barrel or what barrel at the energy, a co at the energy in life. On your semana social media now. And no cock person atomic day. And for. You settle, Jerry. for social media. Ya ko delete video and ya ya won ya. In social media, emi. So we don't want to go please. I need no one won't say without begging where in your one bagui, you will not go and make friends with that person. Without your one bag money, where I go and you will say. You know, when I settle ya, what do you automatically? What was wrong good? What's years up? Why I settle with your money? A market take a permission where? Who does that? I don't think don't know who knows it. Oh, when you settle with one in my own. Or one money of your enemy. One money or your enemy. Or one more money. Or lay toilet money or flush anyway. Or why? I want you to before I take go. When you need play at you. So you were not winning go. Fine. You did right for helping him out of one behavior. But any settle, a settlement, peaceful thing, William. Don't go against it. And you know, Kodia. And what Timana was saying now. When you like the well, I will well do this settlement and I don't provoke you. When you wait video plan why where the video. Man understand. On where I go settle, only way we know. Not like the social media now you're getting. No, we know your access to that be aware that the social media run through your idea, and no back. One while we video planning how where I go, my sister, they now move, love, video not back one will say. Oh, I will say, every comments, you say, not by video, not but just ignore it, and when you can work. And then you time your time, you Latin. I got any tire judge work for so water. No waiter. No, where I could like don't have to defend. Now, if you are buying, no make an iron, it's on your near God paint, said the window there, I will go my sick. In your Tony, oh, we can. Mother, son, go away, this kind of help. Don't be waiting, I like. Everybody, well, don't say that. Don't say that. Oh, there are them and they are turning out when I was saying, my brother. When I let you open, what do you, Mamma, wherever. When I had the warrior, Mamma, wherever. So don't say that because if people are on we are good set to only way we do it better. On our radio, when you do attack. Oh, if first video we want to apologize to one my me. Ever you where you don't suppose to put on me. And don't have my word to go well and you. And don't have my word to go well more. And don't have my word to don't want you get not being with what you go the way you get by no matter what. Don't call say anything at all, no matter. No matter what. Who that way I want no regret. I want ultimate abandon. No way I go set on the car. Not like the social media, I know you're out there, I know you're not joining. On another move where you have not get pepper them. All pepper them. We are in the island. No, you are here. We like Yanya. I didn't know by my brother. A dog, a banner one for 3 hours. Don't do that. Oh. You know, you have to name social media no matter go out, hold yourself. Who go out there to educate so. Commenters and people who are telling here the second. Here, well, man, anything here later. Oh, what time? So, no man can wait. You wait. Mothers, I know. And wait, I don't want to have me out here. You were not cool. And then other time, I don't you, but you won't cool me where the name has died. You see what you want to talk. You don't see video, we taste it, we notice it. Yoshi. So, you can't go take settle, you don't go take permission. When the Mama B, Monica, you try your head with no money. It's the way Mama B. Ah, oh, that's settle with Monica. Oh, why Monica try your head with no money? What hate Mama? Oh, hey, can you take a permission by the meeting in Macaba, the meeting once here? No, you command to go register the meeting in there, so therefore the woman cannot do whatever she wants to do. She can take her own decisions. And Mama B, Monica, may get better or get with the social media. Mama Beatrice Opaika, on my bebo game Monica there, on my IT Monica Zawa Webo, on my Webo Monica. When you are good social media now, when you are Jojani Bese, Mama Beatrice Opaika never give Monica a juju paper. He never goes well for Monica for any juju shrine. Oh, if I never, you might bebo get anybody there. Ma, wait on my book anybody. Oh, brother, any. See, I tell you, be no man. Anyone they grant you are winning our settle in the matter. They can settle. Because maybe I get water where on where tears on our web, on where you bebo Guinea, on where my book bogiani, about on our settlement. I get up again the body. Say, God, let you are there. I tell you, be no man. Why do some people have headache? Who the way with them, Mama B, who with them, Mama B, sort of Monica? That is senseless excuses. Because Mama B, Maka Beck and what? You don't have direct issue with her. What if you were meeting Monica or Monica? Well, if she now chooses to be at peace with people, she has her own reasons for doing that. So why will you have an issue with that? You shouldn't have. If you have a time where you invest in me, do you have what own something that we don't know? Why can't you invest it in your own life? Your hero a course, choose a course, you're so in school. If all like cost all like cost, but saying money of them are very cheap, 30 euro, they costing it. All like cost go and study every day. Improve yourself. My understanding and I am. I can't go fight for the money can't when anybody else fighting me. But someone so yeah, you know one naturally. I don't know they just carry other people, just inherit. Or if you want to inherit somebody enemy, no who will carry. I want one people my phone to wear. I'm gonna take away who will carry, then you run a line, you walk all around the line. I'm gonna take away. You are a baby. You are a push and start. Any push and start, any of your actions almost to regret because you can't calculate before you know behavior the way we are behaving. Or you have time to think about it. When I am doing, when I am lying. You know? So when I advocate no one, don't expect a part in the back. I wonder where I want to call you on in your way, man. Decided to come out and say it, we don't want to kill us. Those are on our land, you know, we take care of you. I understand. So when the Monica and Mommy Big get out of the these two people know young good in social media now. Here, my dear Bebo, get the doctor. Here, my dear Bebo, get the. Here, my Webo, get the my dear Shirai. I understand. So, yeah, that's how you be no mine now. I don't see anything wrong with that. We're not all one who is peace. You should not have problem with such thing. With such working after everything about one doctor. Here I just wait to do right. You not understanding anything. Here I just wait to do right. So the new panya here only has to so me. When I wait here and here only panya passing. So yeah, let them be at peace with themselves. You people should learn what making a peace here. What I did there. Don't come against it. The way, no, don't do that. If they want to be at peace, leave them alone. Let them be at peace. Let them be at peace. Hey, why you not put the body a Bible? Don't put the body a Bible game on the social media now. Yeah, you may settle the back. Yeah, you may settle. You may get